first page? All right. So what did you notice between, tell me what happened between rectangles 1, 2, and 3.
They doubled.
They got bigger.
Okay, so between rectangle 1 and 2, they did what?
Doubled.
And between, which one, then what happened with 3?
They added
from the first.
It tripled from the first one, okay? So if you know that going into it, what happened with the perimeters?
The perimeter also doubled and tripled.
The perimeters also doubled and tripled. Awesome, okay? Will that happen with every rectangle?
no.
What do you mean? So if I double a rectangle, will its perimeter double? Okay, let's prove it. Give me some numbers.
For the first one,
No, any numbers. Give me 2 numbers.
7 and 10.
So, double it.
14 and 20.
So what happens to this perimeter? What is this perimeter?
34.
This perimeter is 34. This perimeter is
68.
Did it hold true? Did your theory hold true? Yes. So it doesn't work with area when it only works with who? Perimeter. So you've learned that if you double what? Tell me what you've learned about perimeter only.
If you double the length and width, I mean, it will double the perimeter.
If you double the length and width, it will double the perimeter. What happens if you triple it?
It will triple the length and the width.
It'll triple the perimeter. So what if I said multiply them by a factor of 10? What will happen to the perimeter? It will be multiplied by 10. Perfect. Good job, you guys.
Prism number 2. 8 times 3 times 6.
Hey guys,
Hi.
can we go back to the first page?
Yeah.
All right. The formula for cylinders is on the side, so you're okay. All right. So I talked to the first group about perimeter. So let's talk about the area. Okay. So tell me what happened to the figures.
They doubled.
What doubled?
The numbers. Like the sides. And
From which one to which one?
so like this one doubled and this one tripled.
So so you doubled the first one to the,
Second one.
and then what did I do from the first to the third?
Tripled.
You tripled it. So tell me about your areas.
You just multiply this both sides.
Okay, so you got your areas for each one. Tell me the relationship between your areas.
This is times 30.
Okay, what'd you say, Al?
It just multiplies times.
This one is times 3, so 20 times 3 is 80.
Wait, no, times 4.
That one's times 4. Okay, so what happened here? Times 9. So you're telling me this is times 4 and that's times 9. But you told me you doubled it and tripled it. So how did I get from 2 and 3 to 4 and 9? So what do you call that? Yes, you do. You've done what? Not quite. So you said you've multiplied what again?
2 times 2 and 3 times 3.
Okay, so look up. You said you did 2 times 2 when you doubled it. And then you said when you tripled it, you did 3 times 3. So what did you do? You squared it. Okay, so when you double your area, when you double your dimensions, your area does what? It was squared. So this one was 4 times the size. This one was what? How many times? 9 times. So what if I quadrupled my size? So what does that mean to quadruple?
So 4 by 4.
Okay? So if you quadrupled your sides, what would happen to your area?
Larger.
It would be 4 times 4 or what?
16.
16 times the size. Excellent. Have a good time. Good stuff.
I'm like square root.
No, that's fine.
So tell me what happened.
They doubled this two. They doubled this one, and then it was that one, and then they tripled this one for that one.
Okay. So did they double all the sides?
No.
How many?
Just one.
Just one.
They just doubled one side. Okay. So when they doubled one side, what happened to your volumes?
It got bigger
By what? How did it get bigger?
by
By 4?
well, these numbers got bigger by 4.
It's when it went up
By
by.
adding or multiplying, or how did it get bigger by?
Adding.
So
Oh,
you
it went
added
up
4
by
to this,
It
and
went
I
up by
added
7.
4 to this. So you already told me you doubled it. What does double really mean?
Timesing it by 2.
So you times this one by 2, you times this one by 3. So tell me about your volumes, what you came up with
It
in your
goes up
test.
by 72.
Okay, they go up by 72. How else can I say that?
Oh wait,
It went up by 7. It went from here to here to 72.
it went up by 2.
So how by 2? This one doubled.
And that one tripled.
Did it double? Okay, and then this one did what?
Tripled.
So how many dimensions did you change on your box, on your prism? How many dimensions did you change on your prism? 1. So when you change 1 dimension, your volume does what?
Double.
It doubles. So whatever you do to this dimension, it does to this. So if I double one of these, it's gonna double that. If I triple one of the sides, it does what? It triples one of the sides. Good. Good job, you guys. Finish up. You're welcome.
We're on page 3. The following examples show
Okay, ladies. All right. What page are we on?
We're on the second side. We're almost done.
Okay, let's go to the first page. All right. Let's look at the perimeter. Tell me what you did in this exploration. Tell me what you did.
Well, for the first one, we added 5 plus 5, and that's 10, and then we did 4 plus 4, and that's 8, and then we added those two, which is 18.
Okay? So, what happened with the dimensions in rectangle 1 to rectangle 2?
Double.
It doubled, and rectangle 1 to rectangle 3?
Triple.
So what happened